Hi, I'm Melissa from the Porsche Exchange, and today we are hosting the 2022 PCA Chili Cook-Off. We are so excited to have everyone back in the Chicagoland area. We also are debuting the beautiful 993 C4S that we are restoring for the Porsche Restoration Challenge.
It's an RS pulley, but it has a provision for air conditioning, which is pretty rare. RS touring, things like that. Gives you the single belt, gives you the lightweight pulley, spin it up a little bit faster.
I'm super happy to be here talking with you guys today, give you guys a little bit of a view of what I do on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Crystal. I am the boutique specialist here at the Porsche Exchange. I'm very excited to show everyone all the Porsche merchandise that we have.
So I just want to again thank you guys for all being here. It means a lot to me and my brother.